Dun 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 dun. Hey! Ho! Oh yeah! Guess what? I just came to the biggest street in the world, except it's not a street at all.
The 8th China International Import Expo just kicked off in Shanghai. 155 countries and regions joined this global event. Over 290 Fortune Global 500 companies are here. And of course, the brightest stars of all, the techs. From humanoid robots and AI systems to green energy, low-altitude aircraft, and even alien cars. A total of 461 brand new technologies and products are debuting here, turning the expo into a real-life sci-fi blockbuster.
This expo is already different even from the starting point because the band that welcomes me is not even the living person, it's the living robots. Let's try. One more. Okay. Oh, that one looks like a frog. Good job.
那么我们是在机器狗和机器人身上都配置了可以拍摄工地啊、工厂啊、现场的照片的设备，然后他们会通过5G 网将现场的视频发送到云端，然后由我们的 AI 系统来判断现场有没有任何的工业风险。这套系统其实是我们自己训练的，然后它可以根据我国的法律法规自动的判断。那么首先肯定是我们的人形机器人和机器狗的硬件方面，我们国内首先是稳定性是在国际领先的，然后它们的价格或者说成本也是在国际上具有优势的，因为我们各方面都非常的优化。在机器人身上的设备的话，我们这也是一套比较集成的系统，它可以适配各种场景的需求。
I heard there are many black technologies here exhibited in this expo, including the very famous living robot of Tesla called Optimus. You guys know Optimus? I heard that this kind of robots has already started to work in Elon's factories back in the United States. So what else to say? Let's go and find out. So this is actually the robots innovated by Elon Musk. And look at these beautiful ankles here. Wow, it was running just like a normal human being. Look at all these parts here. All these little parts made it to turn, made it to jump, made it to move more fluently.
How can we miss the car since we are talking about Tesla?
我们以人工智能为核心来进行打造，整车周围呢有8个摄像头，能够去感知真实道路的各种情况，并且依靠特斯拉的端到端的这个智能驾驶的算法，能够实现呢真正的无人驾驶。就像人类开车一样，人可以看到这个世界发生的情况并进行预判，那我们的人工智能算法也可以完成这一过程。那凭借着这样的丝滑的体验呢，让这辆车能够非常的平稳，并非常的安全。
And look at this cute thing. What are you doing?
快速的把积木精准的搭在一起，是比较考验这个机器人本身的精确摇操的能力的。然后同时呢，它也考虑它的操作的延时性，就它要求一个高实时性、高精度的摇操作。一个比较危险的特种的场景，就人进去直接工作会有一定风险性的或者是那个环境不适于人直接工作的，比如高噪音、高粉尘的这种环境。另外呢，就是有一些高体力、高重复性的劳动那如果我们用摇操作的方式去操作呢，人是其实是用轻轻很小的力量就可以把很重的物体举起来的。
Look what I found. Glowing roller skates.
I'm the mechanical engineer here. We build robotic AI shoes that help you walk 3 times faster. Our CEO, when he was doing his masters, he almost got hit by a car when he was riding a bicycle. That's when he realized that walking is the best thing to do. Why not make walking faster? So that's where the product took birth, and we have Moonwalkers now. And this is the new generation of product. This is much smaller compared to the previous generation. And this has even more ergonomically aligned wheel, ergonomically designed wheel. It does not have a clear brake line. So it bends more ergonomically as per your foot. Start. Okay. You have to lift your right heel up
Like this?
Yeah, you don't have to roll it, don't have to push it, it's just
Okay.
a gesture.
Okay.
So right heel up and kick it in. Swing it in, perfect. You see the shoes are in shift mode now.
Oh.
Green light. You just have to walk. That's it, you feel it?
Kind of feel it.
Exactly.
It's like rolling on the ground. Okay.
So to go faster, you just have to take bigger steps. Faster and bigger steps. That's it, that's it. Yeah.
All right, guys. So I was totally brainwashed by these latest technologies. And if you ask me what I feel right now, it's not unbelievable, wow, so creative. It is actually a fear of losing my job in the future by the robot. Okay, so that's all for today's Joyce vlog. I want to do more for you, but actually my DJI is gonna go dead, so I have to turn it off right now. I do hope in the future maybe we can create something like to charge my DJI on my phone through the air. What do you say?